Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good. So I'm going to be taking us on another yummy recipe. So we're going to make plantain frittata and we'll break our egg. I think I'm using 7 eggs. So add salt, paprika, and some multi-purpose seasoning. Then some Yaji spice. This is optional. So you add them and you beat together until they're well combined. So now let's oil our pan. I'm going to be using non-stick pan. Please, you don't use a sticky pan for this recipe. It's not going to work. It's going to get burnt and half of the egg will be gone already. So I'm going to add this and cook on low to medium heat for 7 minutes. Within 5 to 7 minutes, right, depending on the pot still determines it. Then after like few minutes you add the plantain. Make sure this plantain is a little bit thick, not very thin, so it won't soak inside the egg finally. So just add it and cover to simmer for few minutes. So once it's completely done, you pick that and cut it into pizza shape. And that is it. Isn't this beautiful? Come on, this is so delicious. I'm sure you will love it. Then serve it and enjoy with whatever you would like to enjoy it with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Please, if you are a first timer, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are here before and you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe now. Thank you so much. See you later and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.